guys, welcome back to another episode of my Coursera Python for Everybody series, and today we're going to be taking a quiz in week 6, and our quiz is chapter 4. Let's take a look. Okay, question 1. Which Python keyword indicates the start of a function definition? It's def. Question 2. In Python, how do you indicate the end of the block of code that makes up the function? You de-indent a line of code to the same indent level as the def keyword. Question 3. In Python, what is the input feature best described as? A built-in function. Question 4. What does the following code print out? Well, since the function thing is never called, it'll only print out there. Question 5. In the following Python code, which of the following is an argument to a function? Well, max is the function and x is the argument to that function. Moving on to question 6. What will the following Python code print out? It'll print out 10, 20. Question 7. Which line of the following Python code will never execute? Print world will never execute since the function is returned before that. Question 8. What will the following Python program print out? It'll print out Bonjour, Michael. Question 9. What does the following Python code print out? And this is a bit of a tricky question. But since it returns only a in the function, so it'll only print out 2. Moving on to the last question. What is the most important benefit of writing your own function? Avoiding writing the same non-trivial code more than once in your program. Okay, I'm done. Now let's find out my results. %. Okay, now it's time for you to take the test. You're gonna do great, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more problem-solving videos like this one. Until next time, stay problem-free.